Maybe these are the worst parts right here.
Maybe not.
Oh, yes it is.
Fuck.
Oh! Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Krusty Vlogs, back again with another reaction video for you guys, man. I hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, and good night whenever you guys are watching this, man. Check it out, check it out. I got my homies here with me, man. Go ahead and introduce yourselves.
Yeah, it's your boy, you know. What's the deal?
Hello, it's Willie Ron. Nice to meet you again.
Wow.
DC to the Don, how y'all doing?
It's Jeremiah, Gucci Maya.
Hey, man, so check it out, man. We're going to go ahead and react to some epic, whoa, it's not that epic, hectic road bike crashes and mishaps, motorcycle mishaps. I mean, we gotta react to some crashes, bro. I feel like this is getting a little bit popping on the channel, you feel me? So, I mean, have y'all ever seen a motorcycle crash in person, bro?
Yeah.
I think
My brother got ran off the road by an
Damn.
18-wheeler.
Damn.
Yeah, totally
Bro,
white.
I've
Okay.
seen
It's
I've
crazy,
seen
though.
some crazy motorcycle crashes, and I probably don't. I'm probably gonna
Nah,
close
he
my
had, like,
eyes. You
Crazy
feel me?
road rash all of his ass.
Yeah, that's great. Nah, but before this video starts, man, I need y'all to go hit that big red button, man. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, like.
Keep putting more suggestions,
Comments.
man. Anything y'all want, man. Be a
Subscribe.
part of the giveaway. I promise this will be done soon. I promise somebody will be
Shirts are coming.
winning.
Hurry up
All
on
that.
But hey, man, calm down, bro.
Will
Don't,
loves
hey,
crazy.
don't rush perfection.
for the subscribers.
Yeah.
you feel me?
Hey, man, but let's go ahead. Y'all ready, bro? Y'all ready? I don't know what y'all talking about back there, but let's get right
Y'all
into it.
being racist.
Whoa!
Come at us on a motorcycle video.
He racist in the
What did Donald say?
I don't know.
Some racist. Oh, man, that shit was stupid.
Hectic.
See, that's his fault.
That wasn't even hectic.
That was a mishap.
It looked like his ankle broken.
Ah,
He's fine. Get up.
Look.
Whose
They
fault
coming
is
out.
That's almost like
that's a nurse.
I could save your life right now. Oh my god. He's gonna cry.
Don't worry about it.
Dude,
Don't
see,
worry about
that's
it.
so crazy. That's dope. Here in America, they would have
Oh, I thought he was gonna flip, bro. I thought he was gonna flip.
Bro, in America, they would have flipped the out of that. They were so nice about it. She was all crying.
I would have beat his ass. I would have been like, bro, what the mate? What the mate?
Yeah, don't do that.
That's why I don't be wanting to drive bikes, bro.
Yeah.
I gotta
He
get
was
one.
just doing it.
I
I want one though.
He got a Santa hat on?
I have to, bro.
He was flexing. He was
All
like, yeah.
like hair.
Let's see, bro. Let's see.
They be trying to lean too much.
Oh
so
yeah,
that's the
it's
problem.
curve.
Show us something crazy.
It look like they racing.
Here we go.
Like that.
Oh, bro, imagine he went flying into the car.
Scary. You just have to send it into the turn.
Bro, that was just.
I would have gone straight right into the cliff.
Oh yeah.
It's like GTA.
How did he do that? That was just. Oh, that's okay.
Oh yeah, this gotta be dangerous.
Oh.
Hey.
So I'm good.
I'm good.
See, bro, this is always on, like, the overseas stuff, bro. Like, what's up with y'all?
Cause they got cameras on their stuff.
There we
We
go.
don't do that.
Roundabout. Let's see.
Incoming traffic.
Oh! Oh, shit.
Rolling.
I think that was the GoPro.
No, that was for sure him.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Ah, fuck.
Oh!
It could have been
Wow.
bad. It
Could have been worse.
This is not hectic.
I'm saying, y'all
lied to
This
us.
should have been epic.
Clickbait.
This shit. Oh!
Okay, alright, that was kind of hectic.
He got up, bro. Like, what? I would have been laying there like this.
Just think about it. It's not like you're in a car, so you're not strapped. You
Nah,
can move.
nah,
You can
nah.
at least move.
Nah, bro. I'ma lay there like this.
And it just
You getting sued. I'm dead, fool. I'm gonna pretend like I'm dead.
Oh, he's
That's
just
a lot of
asking
paperwork.
to crash.
That nigga's moving. In the front.
come on, full scene. Full scene,
Yeah.
baby.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, get it.
We ain't scared here.
Oh,
Slide.
oh,
Slide.
Oh,
that's gonna hurt.
oh,
Eat it.
oh! There's a car coming. There's a car coming, bro. Oh
That
shit.
curb hurt.
Oh
I can
yeah.
tell.
That's at least a hip, maybe back.
Oh,
At least he got the good gear on.
You can just hear it. Listen to it.
that's all I gotta say.
It's a moped?
Oh,
Dumbass.
He took.
oh I'm dead,
Bro went nowhere.
Look, man, let's fast forward this a bit. Maybe the mishaps are somewhere else, bro. Let's go to like 7 minutes here.
Yeah, Maya had to sit back. He's
Oh,
hella
this guy's
dissatisfied.
I'm saying, bro, this is getting me
Hurts,
sad.
bro.
We have to go forward.
Key. I'm trying to keep my shoulders up.
Another 3 minutes at the end. Let's
Got
see.
back.
Maybe these are the worst parts right here.
Maybe not.
Oh.
Oh, yes, it is.
Fuck.
Oh! Yeah, no, it's not, bro. No, it's not, bro.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
You see
Oh.
your homie fall, you
Oh, I
gonna
thought they were
fall with
gonna
him.
fall off the
Oh.
cliff right there.
Yo, I freaking fast forwarded to a good ass moment, bro.
That was like perfect timing.
San Jose?
Victor Sanchez.
Oh, they got all their names?
Yeah,
I don't even know what happened.
I don't either.
Oh, I think it was. Oh, yeah, I don't know.
Man, that shit crazy. Oh shit, is there a car, bro? No, nothing, bro. These are just so.
Y'all getting mad.
It's a lot of sliding,
Where the
man.
traffic at?
Same. What happened?
It's your boy Moto Loso. Your boy got a brand new bike.
Oh, he about to flip this bitch.
Bro, it sounds like he about to blow it up, bro.
With the fours on
Yeah,
though.
yeah, he got fours on it. Yeah, he finna bust his
Brand
ass.
new R3.
What the hell is
Just put
going
diesel
on,
in
bro?
that shit.
He should just blow up.
Get on
Oh
real
man.
quick.
Bro, I swear.
Engine blow.
What?
Oh, I thought he didn't know how to start this shit.
He's just gonna slide right now.
Stupid.
Oh! Shit.
How he slid?
He held his legs up though.
This little sore.
Just bop. Oh, you're
Should've
not
put-
gonna be able to lift it. Them hoes heavy.
Hey, man.
He sound like Coco.
Should have put some. What's it all called? The all weather tires or
Dang.
whatever it's called.
Day.
Oh,
There we go.
Okay.
I'd be hella upset.
Oh God.
is there that? Is there such thing for motorcycles like all weather tires? What's that shit called again?
Probably.
All season tires for motorcycles.
Oh, is that the exhaust?
Oh, that shit blew out.
Ah.
Yeah, you're fucked.
I scraped it. I scraped it.
This man is a wasp, man.
I just got a brand new.
I was impressed, bro.
Brand new, bro. Oh, he's
Oh, you
moving.
gotta do
Let's
something.
go.
Oh, he's moving, going straight into the house.
Oh, that's a
right in
pole.
between the pool. Right in between the pool.
He got lucky.
Bro, you know his knee caught
Oh,
that.
Oh,
I
shit.
think
I think his whole leg,
Nah,
bro.
he's just hurt, bro.
Yo, right in between the pool.
Thanks for watching. Hope you all are well.
Ooh.
I hope they're well too.
Nah,
I hope my
man.
man who just bought the new bike.
I hope
is
y'all
okay.
are good.
I hope he's not clinically depressed. Cause
Hey, man, I don't know, man. I feel like we just got clickbaited, you know. I feel like
a
there's
little
something.
bit.
I feel like there's worse, but the moment I
I'm kind of mad. Like,
Nah, the
I'm
moment I
kinda,
switched
like,
though, the moment I fast forwarded it,
That
that
was a
crash
good one.
right there
That was a good one.
was the only good one right
My
there.
boy really could have died.
No facts.
Yeah, he
Well,
got
we don't know
low-key
if he
flew.
died. He.
That was
I don't
head
know
on
what
to a
happened.
truck.
Like, I'm
He got
so mad right
Hey,
now.
man.
He smeared it.
All I gotta say, man, is if you guys want to see some more videos like this, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. Put some more suggestions out there, man. Out in the air, you feel me?
Donate us a motorcycle. See if y'all want us to try it.
Yeah, I'll ride it.
Hey,
if you don't
man.
want to see me crash, I'll go. We'll go jump a couple buses. I don't know.
Yeah,
said
let's
jump
go.
it.
Yeah, we'll go
Either.
jump a couple buses.
Hey,
not
hey,
doing
if
that.
y'all want to see Gucci Maya jump a couple buses while Willie drives the buses,
Yeah, I'll drive the buses. I'll be
let's smash that like button, you feel me?
Let's
Hey,
get it.
and if the homies ain't got nothing else to say, you feel me?
America.
Well, I mean, I don't know what else to say. You feel me? Just let's drive a bike or something. You know, we're not bikers.
Ride a bike.
Yeah, no, we're bikers. Anyways,
No, I
from the
already did it.
homies,
I can't.
Krusty Vlogs. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications.
All that.
Ow!